Hello everyone. Now today we are going to start the question number 9th of exercise 8.1 as we had completed the exercise number, this is the exercise 8.1. We had already completed the question number 8 in the previous class. So this question number 9, in triangle ABC, right angle at B, tan A equal to 1 upon root 3 and we have to find the solutions. So first we will make the triangle because it is right angle at the B and we have to find the values for the A and C both. So the field make one figure. And it is clearly written it is the angle at the B. At B is taking the right angles and here we can write a C and A. Now this A and C will be the acute angles. So it is given the question tan A equal to 1 upon root 3 and the formula for tan is the perpendicular upon base. That means perpendicular is 1, base is the root 3. So we have to find the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the base square plus base square. So P is 1 square root 3 whole square. X square is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. So we got hypotenuse, now we got the perpendicular also, base also. Now we will find the first, because we have to use the both angles, sin A also, sin C also, cos A also, cos C also. We will find the first angle for angle A. Sin A will be, angle A is here, for angle A, perpendicular will be the BC and the base will be the AB because it is on the opposite side of the angle A is the perpendicular BC. So angle A equal to BC upon and the hypotenuse will be AC. Perpendicular BC upon AC. So value of the BC means perpendicular is 1. AC is the 2. 1 upon 2. Now we will find the cos A. Cos A equal to base upon hypotenuse. So base side is the AB. Hypotenuse is the obviously AC. So hypotenuse is the 2. AB means the base side. Base side is root 3. Root 3 upon 2. This is the for angle A. Now we will find for the angle C. For angle C, both the trigonometric ratio will find sin C. Sin C for angle A, now the perpendicular base is going to change. Hypotenuse is going to be same. For angle A, the opposite side of the angle C is what? AB. So this will be the perpendicular and this will be the base. So, and for sin C formula is perpendicular upon base, we can write here AB upon AC. AC is 2, AB means root 3, cos C. Cos C is the base upon hypotenuse. Base is the BC and the value of the base is given in the question, root 3. Value of the cos C is base upon hypotenuse. So base is the BC. Base is the BC is given in the question, root 3. So 1 for BC value is the 1 upon 2 because for cos C the BC will be the base side and the base side to BC in the question is the but for so it will be the 1 upon 2. So now we have to put this in the relations. So first one we will solve sin A cos C. Sin A cos C plus plus cos A sin C. So sin A 1/2, cos C 1/2, cos A root C/2, and multiply, and cos sin C root C/2. 1/2, 1/2, 1/4. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 2 into 2, 4. 1 plus 3, 4/4 means 1 is the answer. So this first answer got 1/2. Now you have to find this one. Question number 2. Cos A, cos C minus sin A sin C. So cos A we have root C/2. Cos C we have 1/2. Sin A we have 1/2. Sin C we have root C/2. It will be root C/4 minus root C/4. So it will be equal to 0. So along with this question, we completed question number 9. Now we solve the last question of this exercise, question number 10th, and after that the true and false are given. So 10th question. So here is one triangle PQR. Triangle PQR, right angle at Q. Right angle at the Q, and it is given that PR plus QR equal to 25 centimeter and PQ equal to 5 centimeter, and we have to find a value of the sin P, comma, cos P and tan P. So we will make one figure. It is written that this is the APQR is the right angle triangle. PQR is the right angle triangle at point Q. So Q is forming the 90-degree angles. It is written that PQ is the right angle triangle. PQR is the right angle triangle at angle Q is equal to 90 degree. So if the Q is 90 degrees, then we can find we have to find the P and Q. We can write here P, here we can write the R. So because the Q we have to take as 90 degree, so R and P we can write anywhere, either here, P and Q. P, Q, R is the right angle triangle. Now what we will do, PQ is given 5 centimeter. You can see PQ is given 5 centimeter, right here 5 centimeter, and PR plus QR means this sum of two sides is equal to 25. PR plus QR is 25 centimeter. Mention the question. So we will consider that let the QR is the X. Let in place of QR we will write the X minus 25 centimeter, or you can write X equal to 25 centimeter. PR will be equal to 25 minus X, and here we can write because QR we consider as the equal to X. So PR will be the 25 minus X. Now we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So it is the hypotenuse side is the PQ, PR. So PR square is equal to QR square plus PQ square. PR square is how much given? PR 25 minus X whole square. QR X square. PQ 5 square. So here you can apply ID A minus B whole square, A square, B square minus 2AB, A square minus B square 2AB equal to X square, 5 square is the 25. So 25 square is the 625 plus X square minus 50X square plus 25. So here we got 625 minus 50x plus x square, x plus 25. Now what you will do, this x square is positive, this is also positive, this we can cancel easily. So you can cancel x square and x square cancel. So we get here 125 minus 50x plus 25. So we can write here 625 minus 50x is equal to 25. So 25 will transpose this side equal to 50x. So 600 is equal to 50x. X is equal to 600 divided by 50. 0, 0 cancel. X is equal to 12. X is equal to 12, that means the QR is equal to 12 because QR is equal to X. QR is equal to X equal to 12 centimeter. Now what is the value of the PR? PR is 25 minus X. 25 minus X. So 25 minus, what is the value of the X? 12. So PR will be equal to 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter. And always keep in the mind hypotenuse will be the greater than the other two sides. So we got 13 PR. Now we have to find the value of sin P. Sin P. Sin P is here, and the formula for sin P is the perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So for P, the hypotenuse perpendicular will be the QR. QR upon hypotenuse will be the RT PR. QR we got how much? 12 centimeter. Hypotenuse is the 13. So the sin P is equal to 12 upon 13. Cos P. Cos P formula is base upon hypotenuse. So base side is the PQ. Hypotenuse is the PR only. PQ is the 5. Hypotenuse is 13. 5 upon 13. Now we have to find the 10P. Formula is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is the QR. Base is the PQ. QR we have 12. Base is the 5. This is the 5. So we got the value of the sin P, cos P, tan P. I hope you understood how to find the values of this question. So along with this question, we completed the exercise 8.1, and after the question number 10, 2 and 4 questions are there. So in 2 and 4 questions you can read and you have tried 2 and 4. Then in the next class we are going to start exercise and next new exercise, because from 0 to 90 degree angles the syllabus is deleted from by the CBSE. We will start a new exercise from next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.